Hello Amaze Tech viewers. In this video let's unbox and have a look at Truthear brand's Zero Red in-ear monitor earphones. This video is made in collaboration with Aliexpress influencer program. Please check the video description for this product's Aliexpress buy link and exclusive discount codes. Let's unbox and have a look inside. Since its launch last year, Truthear Zero Red has been hailed as one of the best in budget IEM category. Truthear Zero Red mostly follows Truthear Zero Blue's build and stuff except few differences. While the predecessor Truthear Zero Blue was tuned to Harman target curve, Truthear Zero Red is tuned to Crinacle's preferred curve. Truthear Zero Red's cable is made of high-quality silver-plated material. Truthear Zero Red comes with 3 pairs of thick diameter ear tips, 3 pairs of thin diameter ear tips. Truthear Zero Red also comes with a pair of memory foam ear tips. Truthear Zero Red's head is made of medical-grade high-transparency resin using DLP 3D printing technology. Driver-wise, Truthear Zero Red has double dynamic driver configuration. One driver is of 10 mm diameter and other driver is of 7.8 mm diameter. While the 10 mm driver is responsible for bass, the 7.8 mm driver is responsible for mids and treble. Truthear Zero Red gives more balance bass and mid-range compared to Truthear Zero Blue. Truthear Zero Red performs better in isolating mid-range frequencies like colleagues' chatter at office. Truthear Zero Red also comes with a 10 ohm impedance adapter, which can be used when additional bass is needed. Now let's see some additional observations.